Why is the N90 program focusing a lot on animal protein sources? Hi, my name is Perry Vanakis and I'm the founder of Nutrition 90. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment below so we can get the algorithm going and I can share my knowledge. Now, I know the topic of animal protein can be a very touchy subject with a lot of people. I mean, there could be, for example, like ethical reasons and you don't want to eat animal protein, or there are religious beliefs saying you don't want to eat animal protein. I totally understand that. But within the N90 program, based on my, let's say, education, my experiences with working with humans for so many years, in my opinion, the best quality source of protein is that one that is animal-based. And it has a lot to do with the structure of the protein, the amino acids that build them up. One of the key amino acids in animal protein is known as leucine. And leucine plays a critical role in an anabolic pathway, a pathway that helps build muscle within the body. N90 really focuses a lot on helping as we get older to prevent the effects of sarcopenia. I don't like seeing people get old and frail by losing muscle mass and losing bone density, etc. So the importance of leucine, because it stimulates muscle growth, muscle hypertrophy. For me, when we look at our program, we set up the animal protein so you're getting the right amount of leucine to stimulate and maintain this anabolic process in the body. With vegetables, the protein source that comes from them, that amino acid leucine is very, very low. So it's very difficult to get that right amount. So unfortunately, if you're a vegan or a vegetarian or your belief system is to go along that pathway, the N90 program's not for you. But for my opinion, in the way I've seen things and the way I've helped people convert, let's say, from being a vegan or vegetarian back over to an omnivore, they've seen the benefits of going that way. Now, please don't get me wrong. I do believe that being a vegan or a vegetarian, you can still grow muscle, you can still do what you have to do and live an optimal life. But it is a lot harder and there's a lot more work involved. So that's the reason why N90 still believes in using animal protein source as the optimal protein source to maintain longevity within the human body and maintain your muscle mass.